Hi, Mike Lindsley here with Blue Fox Group. I wanted to do a quick little video on why we like Microsoft Teams as a collaboration tool, but also a phone system in our business. Why our customers that are using it like it, and why you should use someone like Blue Fox to assist you in helping you deploy a Teams solution for your business. So number one, the Teams app is just an awesome collaboration tool. It just makes it really easy for guys to share information, to see who's available at any point in time, to send a chat to them, to jump on a video call, to maybe even share their screen if they're going through an issue and they need some assistance on it. And they can see what channels they want to communicate, whether it's an all Blue Fox message, or maybe it's a tech only message, or for us on the sales side, maybe it's only a sales only message. So it's just an awesome tool. It's everything is in one app in that sense. And it not only works from the desktop, but if you have the right phones, we use the Yealink VP series, the VP, I think 59 is what it is with the video conference phone. It pulls all my Teams collaboration app right into there. One touch to join a video conference. It's extremely easy to make calls. The transcription from voicemail, it's cool. It's just a really cool product. And then it takes it from the phone and it replicates that and does the same thing in your mobile app. So it really has enabled our office to work from anywhere, especially with a staff that is all over the United States from that sense. It's like we're right here in the office communicating. So it's been really cool, especially with COVID. When that hit, it was like just the simplest transition in the world for us to work from home. And so it's been great. Why our customers like it is because Teams is on the desktop already. So they're trying to figure out a remote working solution in a lot of cases, and they have this Teams collaboration tool and they're using it. So we've been able to go in there and help those guys and say, hey, look, why don't we just enable the voice side of it for you, and just get you up and running and have you working from home or remote in no time without skipping a beat. So that's been awesome for them. So they like it for the same reasons we do for the functionality that we have. So why use someone like Blue Fox to deploy your Teams solution? Well, it's pretty simple in our opinion from that standpoint. Is we have a bunch of guys on our team that have been employing phone systems and doing IT work for over 30 years. We know that not every phone system is made alike from a programming standpoint and a call functionality standpoint. So what your current system does today may not match what Teams is doing from their call setup and call flow. So we take our guys that know the current PBXs, we review what you have in that sense. We make sure we can replicate those critical things you need on Teams, or change with an enhancement and show you how to do it a different way, but at least make you aware if it's a good fit or not, if you're going to lose a main function that's critical to your business. Second, and I would say this is probably one of the biggest things, is Microsoft's got a complicated dial plan on how it works, and we simplify that dial plan by providing chunks into the Teams solution. What I mean by simplifying on there is we include just really everything in our chunk. The DIDs, unlimited calling, the same functionality I had before, and we add things like call recording and texting and do some things that Microsoft can't do. On top of that, we handle the porting process, right? So it's really, if anyone's been through porting numbers in a phone system, you can get rejections from carriers depending on who those carriers are, and it can sometimes be a nightmare in that sense, and you really just need a person to talk to and help you through that, right? So we're adding that value by bringing the human element in there to make sure, okay, hey, can you program this thing correctly? Do you have the right phones on the desk? How do you want to use the apps? How do we get the dial tone to you? How can we simplify it and reduce those costs and take the complexity out of it from Microsoft? Control that port there, and then implement it for you in that sense, so you have just an awesome solution, train you up on it, and you know how to use it. So whether we're managing all the IT for the customer, or we're working with an IT partner and we just need to help them, it works in both ways, and we can do that part, so it's a good fit. So that's why next time, if you guys look to deploy a Microsoft Teams solution, you should work with a group like Blue Fox to assist you in it. Thanks.